If you get 6 out of 6, you're top 1% Muslim. Let's go.
Which animal did Allah command to strike the dead man in the story of Prophet Musa? B. Cow. Which bird spoke to Prophet Suleiman and informed him about the Queen of Sheba? A. Hoopoe, Hudhud. Which surah mentions the spider's web? C. Al-Ankabut. Which insect is mentioned in the Qur'an for being organized and speaking among themselves? A. Ant. What creature did Allah send to kill Abraha's army when they came to destroy the Kaaba? A. Birds with stones. Which animal swallowed Prophet Yunus? B. Whale.
Click to share with you friends and family as a Sadaqah Jariyah. Imagine one of them becoming closer to Allah just because you shared it.